Employees get a wage slip, often known as a pay slip, from their organization each month as a reward for their work. A record of earning of an employee and deductions for a certain time period is provided in the salary slip. The person may receive a physical copy of this document in the mail, and the wage slip format is available to download in the PDF for the workers. The payslip can be generated both individually and in a batch using the payroll module. So let's see how we can manage batch payslip in Odoo 16 payroll module. So for that, you can just dive into the payroll module, and here you can see that we can create a batch payslip or payslip individually. So I need to create a batch payslip. So for that, you can choose payslips and choose batch from the payslip menu. It is super cool to create a batch payslip. So let's click on new, and here you can give the name of the batch. So let me give the name of the batch as July 2023. And here you can set the period, which is mandatory. Now let me set it as 1st of July, and this batch ends on the last date of July. So here you can choose the last date, which is 31st, and you can just save this. And you can see that the batch payslip is going through different stages, that is new, confirmed, 10, and paid. And this batch payslips belongs to my company, San Francisco. Now, if you want to create a new batch payslip, just click on this button, and this would allow you to create a batch payslip. And here you can see that currently this employees in this batch is filtered on basis of department. And if you want to generate a payslip based on a particular salary structure, it is possible, and you can choose the salary structure from this list. So I'm going to choose the salary structure as regular pay, and you can see currently we have generated a batch payslip, payslip on basis of salary structure and department. And if you want to add more employees into this batch, you can just add it from here. So currently we don't have new employees. So if you want to create new one, you can just click on new and fill other details. So currently I'm not adding any other employees. So let me generate the batch payslip. For that, you can choose this button. And here you can see that there is some remaining time off to defer for these employees. So let's remove Anita, Oliver, and Mark Demo for the time being. Okay, and let's search for Mark Demo. Yeah. And now let's click on generate. And you can see that we have 13 payslips under this batch, which is in its waiting state. Now you can see the employee details, batch name, company, basic wage, and net wage of that. Of the employees that is included in the batch July 2023. Now you can see currently this batch is confirmed. Now we need to create a draft entry for this. So for that, you can just click on create draft entry, and we need to confirm this in order to proceed the process. And finally, it's indent state. Now we are going to generate the payment for the employees. So in order to make the payment, you can just mark it as paid, and you can see that this will be moving from dent to paid state. So hope this concept is worth for you. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.